Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to unhide apps on iPad or iPhone iOS 18 update. So guys, first of all, if you have hide the any applications, you will see this here hidden folder. Just tap on it and just verify using Touch ID and your app will be unhide. But if you don't know how to make your app hide, if you want to hide your app, if you don't know how to do that, you can also do like you have to just hold any application. Like I just want to hide this application, hold it, and now guys you just need to uh, tap on this require touch ID and just tap on hide and require touch ID and just verify using touch ID and tap on hide app. So your app will be guys hide, and now if you go back you will see this folder as a hidden and your all apps will be guys hidden. So now if you tap on it, verify with it, and now if you tap hold any application and if you tap on don't require touch ID, you can tap on it, verify with touch ID, and your app will be unhide and unlocked on your iPad iOS 18 update. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.